Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can set up Google Family Link on PC. So the first step, you need to search Google Family Link on Google. Search that and you need to open the first link, Family Link from Google. And here you can see help keep your family safer online. Then you need to click on sign in on the top right. Okay, so now you are on the Family Link page. Okay. Here you can see, does your child have a Google account? They need an account ending in @Gmail in order to set up supervision for them. So if your higher children have an account, so you simply need to click on yes and click on. So this process that you need to follow, get your child device, open settings. For Android device, go to Google, then parental control from Chrome operating system. Go to people, then parental control. Follow the steps to set up parental controls. Then you need to click on done. Here you can see add your child device. You need to set up your child control to use Family Link. Okay. So once you set up on your child, on the next page you need to add your child email and password here, and then you are good to go. So this is the process that you need to follow to set up Google Family Link on PC. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.